Hey viewers, we are out for Jog Fall trip. So we booked this trip via KSRTC package. See, we are at the Kempegoda Terminal 2 bus stop. So all the buses in the stand, whatever you are seeing, are a part of Jog Fall package. So there are a lot of options like club car, semi-sleeper, AC, non-AC, sleeper and all. So, due to COVID restrictions and, to have some more comfortable ride, we have chosen non-AC sleeper bus, and it's
which
right.
costed us 2200 rupees per head. So this bus we are going, which is 4141. This bus, I'll just show you the front face. So all buses are going for Jog Falls. So now let's see how our seats are.
So, as I already mentioned, we booked the sleeper. So, we booked seat number 1 and 2. The board outside the bus says, it is properly sanitized, and it looks like so. We have a good light facility, charging points, 2 charging points, and 2 phone holders. They have provided us some good blankets.
Time now, let's start.
ಟುಡೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಓಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ 2 hours ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ. ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು 4 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಶ್ರೀಧರ ಮಠ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರದ ಮೂಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಕ್ಕೇರಿ, ಕೆಳದಿ, 4 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆ 12:30 ತಂದು ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆ 2:30 ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು 5:30 ತನಕ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ.
Jog Falls.
5:30 ತನಕ ನೋಡಿ, 5:30 ಬನ್ನಿ. 5:30 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ 7:30 ಆಗಿದೆ. 6:30 6:45 ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಊಟ ಗೀಟ ಮಾಡಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಾಕು.
So guys, it's Saturday. We have reached this point at 6:30. Some 1.5 hour delay, but that's okay because he also have stopped for some washrooms and all, and there is also a railway crossing in between. But it's a decent hotel, very good place. See, I'll right now show you the room. So this room will be there till evening. So afternoon also will be coming over here, and evening also will be coming over here.
ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
So he says hot water is also coming to take bath. And decent enough. Anyhow, we won't be staying here. Like this is only for taking bath or to get refreshed. Washroom is also decent enough. Western they have given, and hot water facility is also there. It's decent enough for 1 day stay. So we are ready now, going for breakfast. It's in ground floor. As you can see, breakfast is being arranged over here.
So we had our breakfast and
There is a change in bus. This is Rajhamsa bus. So even this bus also starts from Bangalore. Again the same package, Jog Falls. So what they have done is, as in our bus there are only few people, like around less than 10 people. So they have combined those people to this bus, and we'll be traveling to in and around places in this bus itself, and again we'll be coming back to lunch only by this bus. Again while going back to Bangalore, we'll be again going by that sleeper. It is just next to this bus. So you can see even this option is there from Bangalore to Jog Falls, semi sleeper.
ಇದು ವರದಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶ್ರೀಧರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅವಧೂತ, ಆ ಸಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So what you're seeing is Sridhar Swami Mandir. Even if you want to go inside, you have to remove your shirt, and then only you're supposed to go inside. So most of the people, like tourists, they are not going inside because of multiple reasons. Like a lot of people might not have brought the dhoti and all. So just covering this part from here. There is a Goshala and Veda Patashala is also there. And in order to come here, there are 150 steps from bottom. Now let's go for next place. So all you can see, all Jog Falls package buses being stopped over here. Again, it started drizzling. I guess we will be moving to the second place now. Now time is 9:30. So we have come to the place Ikkari. For this temple, videography and photography is not allowed through cameras. So this is Agoreshwara temple and this is Akilandeshwari temple. Inside my GoPro is not allowed, so I'm just taking with phones. I'm not sure, like they are okay with mobile video and photo, but they're not okay with cameras.
We reached Ikkari by 10 a.m. and we are leaving by 10:45 a.m. So we have spent some good amount of time here. So let's go to the next place.
So at 11 o'clock we have reached Sri Varadamba Devasthana. Now it is 11:05. I guess still 10-15 more minutes we can stay over here. We'll just go inside and we'll come back. One important note over here, everywhere it is drizzling. We have come on July 30th, so it's keep on drizzling.
We started from Vardhamula at around 11:20 a.m. and we reached Kellari, the Rameshwara temple, at around 11:45 a.m.
We are back to hotel and the time is 1:05. So they are asking to finish our lunch and to come by 2 o'clock and next to Jog Falls. By the time we have reached, already lunch is already been set. We'll just freshen up and then we'll go for lunch. It's 2 o'clock, off to Jog Falls.
Finally, we have reached to Jog Falls at 3. Since we came via KSRTC, so for us they have opened the gate, whereas private vehicles, private buses are stopped outside the gate.
So what he says is this is British Bangla and this is like a part of Jog Falls, like we are seeing Jog Falls from some other direction. So let's see it. So guys, here is our Jog Falls. You must come. So we are back from a British Bangla around 3:45 and we are moving to the original Jog Falls place. So most of the visitors, if you are going for private, I mean if you are coming privately, or if you are keeping on Google Maps, this is the place, I mean the place where you are going now, it will show it to you. So that's the entrance. They are collecting 10 rupees from everyone, though if you are coming from package or if you are not coming from package also. Let's see. Hi. So here is I Love Jog. Let's see the falls. So this is the main Jog Falls. So even from there you can see, or even from here you can see, but there are a lot of monkeys over here. Guys, for seeing this, you should come for Jog Falls. It's literally spectacular. Every 5 seconds or 15 seconds, everything will be covered and again it will come back. Mostly, if you are coming on monsoons, you should come with an umbrella, and along with that you also should bring raincoat. See, again raincoat started. So guys, finally even Jog Falls is been covered. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And it's 5 o'clock Saturday evening, and after this he also promised for some boating and all, but it was not written on the package. Anyhow, I'm not sure because it's heavily raining. And here are 3 tips for you if you're coming in monsoons. First, carry raincoat or umbrella. And second thing is, if you're having any action camera like SJ Cam, GoPro or any similar like Insta, then obviously come along with that, because DSLRs may or may not capture both you and great scenic scenes over there. And third important point is, if you want more space, like if you cannot travel in a single day, don't plan for this, because little somewhere there is some energy loss, because early in the morning we have come, again without rest we are just roaming around. Some people I have seen with very less energy. So if you want much more things, if you want to cover too many things, and if you are having more money, then this package is not for you. But if you want everything to be covered in just 2000 rupees, this package is right for you. Everything what they have offered is damn cool. 2200 rupees, bus fare, to and fro, food and accommodation, everything is class. Everything is class, and everything is safe, and drivers, everyone are too much polite, and they'll update you everything. Very nice. Have a nice trip. So guys, just now we had dinner exactly at 7:40 they kept. It's decent enough, like afternoon, almost like rasam and sambar, it's almost the same. Curries they have changed, and morning they didn't give roti, they gave us puri. Night they gave us chapati, but looking like little parota. So food is very decent enough. They are saying accommodation is in Sagar. Sagar is actually the place name. So few buses are going for one place and few buses are going for different place. So it's not in our hands, or I'm not sure like how they are judging, because Airavat Club Class and Rajahamsa buses also went for some specific hotels which we have seen, and few other sleeper and Airavat buses also have stopped in our place. So I'm not sure like how they are segregating it. For our package, we got accommodation at Ocean's Comfort. Not sure like whether you will also will get in the same place. So time is 8:30 now. We are starting to Bangalore. So guys, we have reached on Sunday morning 5 o'clock and that is our bus. So it's a great journey and we enjoyed a lot, and almost they have tried to touch every timings what they have mentioned in the booking. Happy journey. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.